Hey everybody, how you doing? Jason from Play Well Bricks. I did a video yesterday talking about the future of Play Well Bricks, and I mentioned in that video that I had a big haul that was underneath my build table. I've already started sorting some of the bricks out for that, and I've recorded the opening so you can take a look at that now. There's a lot of Lego in this haul, and I want to hear your stories about how much Lego you've ever sorted at one time, because this is going to take me days. So tell me in the comments section below. All right, here we go. Box one. You can see they taped it up really good at Build-a-MOC. So let's open her up and see. Oh, really nice packaging on the inside. So, a lot of 2x5 bricks. And some more Technic brick. A lot of transparent pieces here, and let's check what's in the boxes. I should say that this was the largest order that Build-a-MOC ever sent out, so I was quite pleased to hear that. So let's check to see what's in this box. If you can guess what I'm building, then put it in the comments below. I'm not going to tell you what buildings they are. I'm gonna let you try to figure it out. I'm sure by the end of this you'll have a pretty good indication of which buildings are going to be done. If you go through on our website and check the past projects, you'll see a lot of these things, a lot of these parts popping up. Oh, so we got some smaller parts up here, more transparent pieces. Some tiles, a lot of small stuff in here. Put that over to the side. We got brackets, plates, tiles in there, more plates, a lot of slopes, plates and brick and 1x brick. I think this must be part of the exterior section of the building. So more tiles, a lot of white 2x4 tiles, more Technic brick, more tiles, some Technic beams, a lot of 2x4 plate, some assorted bricks in there, more plates, some brown 2x6, more beige plates, 2x2 or 1x2x2 beige brick, some more beige plates, some more brown plates, 1x6 beige plates, more Technic brick, and a whole bag full of black tiles. Put that away. Let's see what's in the next one. There should be a big bag of things coming out that I can't wait to see. So let's open this one. I like their boxes. I really think those are top-notch quality. Okay, some more 1x2x2 brick, 2x6 plate, staircases. These are really important to this build. When I'm doing it, you'll see why. 1x6 plates, some black brick. Those are some filler brick. More filler brick in there with some gray or dark gray Technic brick. Got a few masonry brick, brackets, a bunch of 1x1 tiles, miscellaneous plates. I'm gonna have to go through and sort this a little better, I think. But I'm actually pretty happy with the sorting so far. If I had to try to sort this by myself, I'd be going for a long time. So, some black 1x4 wedges, 1x8 plates, some different kind of clips and brackets. Oh yes, some beige green for a part. Some 6x6 dark gray tile. A few more bricks. 1x4 white tile. And Technic beams. Oh my goodness, this is like going into a candy store and being able to buy everything that you want. It's awesome. I've never had an order this big, and I can't wait to build this building. I can't wait to show you guys. 2x6 plate, some dark brown plates there, a few cheese slopes, 2x2 brick, bunch of miscellaneous stuff, brackets, and some slopes in there. Another bunch of sage green pieces, some shaping pieces. They did a fantastic job packing this. 1x4. I'm really in admiration. 1x6. So what I'm gonna have to do after is probably pull all these out and do some sorting by color, but that's not a big deal. More shaping pieces. Some Technic brick. Another bag of 6x6 plates. More plates, some more sage green. A whole mess of filler brick. We got some other plates. Oh, I'm glad they got those because those are essential for one of the structures. Some Technic connectors. Big bag of 1x1 beige brick. A bunch of panels. There's going to be a lot of panels in this order. Some pneumatic pieces. A few other little decorative elements there in both of those bags. 1x1 tiles, 1x8 or 1x1 plates, 1x8 tiles. Some more translucent pieces, some more plates, or some more tiles, my goodness. Hinges and some jumpers in there and a few other odds and ends. And then a bag of black 1x1 bricks. So that's this box. I'm going to go clean this mess up, organize it a little bit differently, and then open the next box. There's 7 boxes like this in all, so it's going to be a pretty long video.